This is me with Digo 200. My friend, he just broke up with a girl. Her name was Ashley. So here he is singing really quiet. Now I'm gonna cry and listen to my iPad. You think I'm playing around? I'm like Tony Montana, I'm Al Pacino on you. I shoot you with my little flame. You think I'm ugly? Well, I got that Mercedes Benz on me like I never had before. And now I'm with this manhole talking on my door. He's like, I'm too poor, what can I sleep over your house? I'm like, there's a mouse, why won't you go eat that? Cause I'm too rich for your bitch ass. Yeah, no iPod on me, I'm too rich for that. I got coats like I'm up in bed. See how long? Cause I am a G. I'm like Spider-Man, but you can't see me. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, people, this is for me that I just broke up with my mouse. I mean, my goldfish. Yeah, my goldfish. It just died. Yeah, I see you messed up. You can't see me. What did I say? I'm under this pole. It's larger than Victor's whole heart, right there. Yeah, like damn. Yeah, like damn. Yeah, for the ladies. He's gonna sing about my goldfish. For the ladies. For the ladies, for they could have babies with crazy Z's. You know, like it's like the Miz. I don't watch wrestling, but it's like Chris Batista. Batista. Okay, man, calm down. It's just a breakup. It happened to me. YouTube, this is about breakup. So, people, I hope you hear the song over and over. Just pass it on to everybody for everybody to hear.
It's that she broke up. Hoes. She broke up with me.
It's just hoes. It's just hoes.
She broke up.
It's just hoes.
Wait, she broke up with me, but I didn't break up with her. That's
yeah,
the problem.
It doesn't matter. This is love songs, people. Guys, this is for all for you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See the video, Bad Breath.
Bye-bye.
Coming up next.